Hi, hello, good morning. How are you today? Today is Thursday. It's the 2nd of September 2021. This is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. And this morning, we are going to learn how to subtract the number using the crossing number. Okay, how to crossing out by using the subtraction method. All right, so before we are going to start our lesson this morning, the last time you able to know how to subtract the number and you able to know what is the minus. Okay, so before we will start our lesson this morning, let's do have a review. Okay, now let's start with our lesson. So the last meeting, you know how to subtract the number and how to solve the problem using the subtraction. All right, so let's do a first a review before we will start our lesson. Okay, so welcome to Primary One, the English program. Did you miss me? I'm so sorry if yesterday I was not able to be with you because I'm not feeling well. I have an headache. Okay, so our subject this morning is mathematics. And what is our topic for today is that is the subtracting by crossing out. But before that, let's do have a review. And the last time you're able to know how to subtract the number. And what do we call this one? If 3 minus 1, it's equals 2. And what's the meaning of 3? 3 is what we call the minuend. And this is what we call minus, right? And 1 is what we call subtrahend. And this is what we call an equal sign. And 2 is our difference. Okay, so again, if we have here the 5, how many balls? Look at the balls. There are 5 balls. If minus 2 balls, and that is, so 5 balls is our minuend minus 2 as our subtrahend, and that is equals to 3, and 3 is our difference. Okay, so another one. Look at the number of coin. We have 1 but 3, 4, we have 5, we have 6. Okay, 6 is our minuend, and 1, 2, 3. 3 is our subtrahend, and then that is equals. Now, writing in a number, 6 stands for our minuend minus 3 is our subtrahend. So what is our difference? So therefore, our difference is equals to 3. 3 is our difference. 6 minus 3 equals 3. That's right. Okay, let's do have another one. If our minuend is 6 minus our subtrahend 2, and what is our difference? Our difference now is equals to 4. Very good. Now, another one. If we have 4 is our minuend minus 2 as our subtrahend, that is equals to 2. Very good. Now, this time, let's subtract the number by crossing out. Subtracting by crossing out. And this is our topic for today. So look at the numbers of APA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are, how many apples do we have? If if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if we have 6 apples, and then the one apple is eaten, okay, if the one apple is eaten, so how many apples are left? Okay, if there are 6 apples as our minuend, how many apples left if the one is eaten? Okay, so how many, if the 2 apples are eat, so how many apples left? Okay, so let's do have first. Okay, so we have 6 apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 is our minuend minus 2. Minus 2 because the 2 was able to eat. So how many apples are left? Okay, that is, there are 4 apples are left. Okay, so there are 4 apples left because 6 is our minuend, the total number of apple, and then 2 is our subtrahend because the 2 was able to eat, equals to 4. 4 is the apples left. Okay, so that is subtracting by closing out. All right, so 6 apples as our minuend minus 2, that is equals 4 apples left. Okay, all right, next. This is the cage of a bird. All right, this is the cage of a bird. Okay, hold on. Okay, just wait for a while because my camera is not working. All right, I don't know what's going on with my camera. All right, so this is the cage of a cave. So look at the number of birds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6, 7, 8. So now we have 8 birds inside the cage, And then the one is fly. So how many birds are left? So let us write here. So we have 8 birds inside the cage minus how many birds go outside and fly together and fly, that is 1. So how many birds are left inside the cage? That is 7. Okay, so next we have subtracting by crossing out. So if we have, look at the number of the oranges. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 oranges, and then look at the number of oranges which is already it. So let us write the number of our menuend. So if we have 7 oranges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 minus, what is our subtrahend? How many oranges eat? 1, 2, and that is 3. So what is our difference? So if 7 oranges minus 3 oranges eat, that is equals 4. Very good. Now, the last one we have, look at the number of fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 fish. So how many fish eat? If we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let us write. So if we have 8 fish minus the 4 was able to eat, so how many left? So it's 4. 8 stands for a number or the total number of the fish minus 4 as the total number of fish being eaten equals 4 left together. Okay, so that is 4. All right, so that's all very good. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoy with our lesson. And then your workbook, you have to answer on page 27. Okay. Now, this is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye-bye.